Wait, Derek. What are we doing with Midori and Campari?
Well, first off, we're gonna make you a winner in your friend group.
Awesome.
And then second off,
Ian needs that.
Apparently.
Yeah, that's why we have him doing the dishes.
right. And third off, you're gonna try it, so stay tuned.
That's right.
Guys.
Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Danny and Derek can show you how to make the Melon Noir Sour.
Noir.
So a couple episodes ago, I'll put a link below, it'll easier. We made a drink that had Midori melon, and Captain Morgan. And this was a variation that we wanted to try that has Campari in it. And it was enough of a variation that it's not just the same drink again.
I think Jen just wanted us to try it.
Yeah, it's going to be right.
I don't know if
we really had nothing.
We had nothing to do with it.
We stood here.
Actually, it was all Derek. I just said, hey, this sounds like a cool...
She texted me the recipe. I pasted it into Trello, and here we are.
It's going to be interesting.
I did edit, cleaned up a little bit.
Double it, Ian.
Yeah, order double this from what I'm about to tell you.
Okay.
1 ounce of Midori, 1 ounce Captain Morgan, 3/4 ounce of fresh lemon juice, half ounce of simple syrup, 1 egg white, half ounce of Campari, 2 dashes of Angostura. So we're just going to double all that, but the egg white, who needs to double your egg white? It's already a whole egg white.
Double, real good for you.
Plus, I mean, eggs. This is like a $18
double
drink.
it up. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah,
I didn't double eggs.
No, I know.
Okay.
But eggs, the reason we're not doubling, you're missing the point.
Okay, they're expensive.
You got it. That didn't take long.
No, I didn't.
You were quick on the
updraft.
Yes.
But technically, I bought these eggs last week, so they're free now. Because I bought new eggs this week, and those ones were 67 cents.
Is that girl math?
So wait a minute. So these are free?
Yeah, because I already
It doesn't count anymore?
Right. Because once you eat half the container,
There's no calories in the meat.
So you only pay for the first 6, and the other 6 are
double
free.
for the first 6.
Yeah.
The rest are free. And on top of that, they substituted the Nellie's eggs we typically get that are like $6.99 for like Hannaford brand, and then charge us like $8.99.
No, see, you gotta go get the organic ones now. They're like $3.99.
Well, I went to BJ's Wholesale, and we got like 18 eggs for a cage for 18 eggs. I don't remember what it cost. But it wasn't cheap. It came out to 67 cents an egg.
Damn.
I did the math. That was cheaper than
Trader Joe's, $3.50.
Really?
Yeah, but you can only take one, so you just gotta keep going in the store.
Dude, it's gonna cost me $5 to get there.
Are they extra large? I only eat extra large.
Oh, I bet you like the extra large.
That is my standard.
Oh no! One day I came home because it was like $2.99 medium eggs. I'm like, I don't give a shit. You're all eating medium eggs fucking this week.
I'm like, just eat 2. Still cheaper than eating one of those fucking expensive ones. See, I don't pay attention to egg prices. I just hear it in the news, like whatever. They're my eggs. Yeah, if you're bitching about it, you want to save money, buy egg white. Egg white is like $4 for a generic, like just the little carton.
Yeah, that's not fun. You need an egg.
I take the egg white, I put it into a pan, I cook it, boom. They already color them yellow for you. So it's just done.
Unless you don't like the ones that they don't color yellow.
Yeah,
I don't like the ones that I don't like those.
I like the yolk though.
It's yellow food coloring. It's fine.
Hey, what are you doing?
And like xanthan gum or something that you put in there and like make it.
Yeah, but I like to have like over easy eggs.
Oh, that's you're never gonna do.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you're not gonna do scrambled eggs, I got no help for you.
I just scan, and whichever one's the cheapest, that's the one I buy. Because they're all the fucking eggs. Or I just go steal them from Lincoln's house.
Yeah, because you got chicken.
Yeah.
I'm surprised you don't just do that.
I know, I should.
Although they don't have the same. You can't put them in the refrigerator, right? There's something about eggs.
No, well, those you gotta wash. You gotta wash them.
You gotta wash them.
Yeah.
Not use them in drinks like this.
Did we go through what the drink is?
Yeah, we did.
Okay.
Well, it's because they're not pasteurized, right? They're not passed through the heat to kill the bacteria.
Yeah, so
the insides are fine. It's just the outside.
Yeah, you just gotta wash them.
Oh, look at this. So
what's it gonna
let's
be?
see if it's gonna be as egg whitey as the last one. So the last one was green, so that's already different.
Well, I mean, with Campari and Ango in it.
I know, but that you would think with Campari and
it's hard to get like a
Midori.
really, really thick cream when you double though. But you did a great job.
Yeah, but
that looks pretty thick.
Midori and
That's what she
Campari.
said. Jenna's just banging it up back there.
That's what she said.
That's what she said.
No, it's getting there.
Yeah.
It looks like a
Let 'em
coffee
sit.
beer almost that's clearing up.
I'm just red.
I'm
and
impressed
green.
with the shaking.
This is
I mean,
I'm giving it a little bit extra.
I mean, you had some time off, but I mean, you were
He's had
coming
a-
back like a fucking
he's had
bandit.
8 months to rest up.
I know.
The tendonitis is
Oh,
like
shit,
not flaring
yeah.
up. It's like, yeah.
He's
Look at
taking
that.
now this one.
Now that is a
has
that's a
nice-
pretty drink.
And you had some leftover. I
Oh
was
yeah,
wondering
there's a
if
bunch
this would-
left over.
Yeah, we weren't sure how this glass was going to work.
I like the layering. Looks like a dessert.
Well, you've already been drinking it, haven't you?
I mean, that's
It's good.
a good looking drink.
It's
I like
not
it.
like the last drink, that's for sure. This is not just a variation. This is an entirely different drink.
Yeah, that Campari changes up a lot.
Oh my god, that is good. Shit.
So this just elevated it to like the standard
Janet,
drinking level.
it'll be interesting to see what you think.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna like it.
So
Way
Campari.
to go in with an open mind, Jen.
Oh.
Campari's my favorite.
That's it doesn't have as much
It's the goddamn Midori.
the spice rum does
I like
not
Midori.
play as much into this one as it did in the last one.
Oh, actually, that's not bad.
It's like the jungle.
I've never heard anybody say, I'm disappointed I like this.
Yeah. Man.
Well, it's kind of like
Because it's not that bitter.
no, it's like the jungle
No,
bird.
the end is
right?
bitter, but
The
it's
jungle
not
bird is
lot.
a Campari, has Campari in it that's not
That's good.
super bitter,
The only thing with it is it's like
creamy.
it's a little flat.
Yeah,
Yes.
it's flat.
And
It's
Campari
flat.
dries it out a little bit, as does the egg white. So
Yeah.
you got like a double drying effect.
It
going on.
definitely, and it has the dry aftertaste, and it definitely has the bitter aftertaste.
But it makes you want to go back for more.
Mm.
Yes.
It's
It's almost
like
like a bitter berry.
It's got
flavor.
the sweet up
Yeah.
front.
It's like it's like a slow berry, like a slow gin,
Yeah.
almost like a smoky berry.
Yes.
but without the fortified wine.
Like all you get that Midori up front, so that's all you really give a shit about, and then
Yeah.
you're like, oh, this is good.
It's
Yeah,
a,
and then the back end.
it's
but
a
you get
bitter.
Mm.
You get
You
bitter.
get that rum, not really flavor. Like you don't taste the rum, but it's adding to the Midori.
Dude, that
Like I get,
bitterness.
Yeah,
you
it's
don't just
complimenting.
get, you don't just get.
It comes out a little bit more with a Campari now. Yeah.
The Campari makes you want to keep drinking it. It is
Super
bitter.
good.
Mm.
That's
It
like a
is bitter
sweet
at the
cigar drink,
Yeah,
right? If you're a cigar smoker and you want something sweet,
but
Mm.
you know what? Amazingly, I don't get any Ango.
it's in there. I think it's
Mm.
buried under
I
the
think
Campari
that-
a little bit. But
Yeah, the Campari
It's hard to
melon
get by the
just
Campari flavor. Like you get that.
overtakes it.
The Campari
Mm.
flavor keeps going, so it never gives you a chance to like.
yeah, the Campari is
Taste the other
blending
stuff.
into the back end.
Yeah.
Ango is blending in with the Campari in the back a little bit.
And it's
Yeah.
dry finish, so like you get dry bitterness.
That finish just makes you want to just go back and have another
Yeah,
sip.
that's really
Yeah,
good.
it's like
Hence the reason the double is almost gone.
It's really good.
Really good.
You want to take that with you, Jen?
There's nothing left.
Finish it
There
up,
you go.
John.
Here you go, Jen.
Well, you gotta end it.
Oh, you got a dump there.
You gotta end it.
Cream dump.
we gotta do the thing.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's end it so Jen can have this
So
drink.
we're gonna end it
Yeah.
so that Jennifer can finish the drink. Good. I would favor this probably over the last one just because of the
Yeah.
interesting bite to it. But the last one was also pretty good.
But this is a really unique flavor, and it's
Put
like
them
it's got
side
a-
by side.
It's a great creamy flavor.
Yeah,
It's got like a thickness and an airiness to it
Mm.
because of the dryness.
and it's good Campari that I can take.
Mm.
So that's tough.
So if you bought Campari thinking you were going to try Negronis and like them and you didn't, this may be a good
Everybody that
Yeah.
doesn't like Negroni.
So this would be interesting if you double everything but the simple syrup.
alternative.
I think you could
more?
do like a half a simple syrup. It almost
Maybe.
be a little bit more.
You looking for more bitter?
Yeah.
Then yeah.
Guys, I mean, I see where you're going.
Yeah.
It's just
That was like I'm going to pick a fight question, and then he just kind of rolled over. It's
yeah.
like, okay.
Yeah.
Well, so there you go.
Best way to beat a bully. Just let him kick you in the nuts. It's not going to be as much fun.
Go build the Melon Noir Sour and
It's good.
leave a comment below. Tell me what you think. And you know you're like I can't dry shake because I don't have a shaker. So go to shop.awesomedrinks.com. You type that into your browser or you click the link below. You get yourself your kit, your mixing glasses, your bitters, whatever you need, and you're good to go. That's
then
it.
you can be the cocktail maker in your refrigerator.
That's right.
Then get a camera,
Everyone at least like you
get on
for
TikTok,
something.
fucking
Because they
rock.
probably don't like you.
Right.
Anyways.
If you're looking for a reason to make people like you,
That's it. We're teaching how to drink.
if you suck and you need to suck less,
Right.